Hey guys, this is my bike check. I got a 2011 stolen wrap. These right here, I'm just going to start off with the pegs. These are my Snanu pegs. Got front and back on my left side because that's the way I ride. I got Sub Rosa Skeleton Crew grips. I got the original Big Boy bars. I got the Mission valve caps. Green. I got the Odyssey twisted pedals, twisted PCE right here, and that's pretty much everything that's custom on this bike so far. And I got a new seat. It's a Fit Pivotal, and I got the Maxxis hookworm tire. It's kind of a slick, pretty much, and I know you guys probably want to hear my hub sound, so this is it. Not that loud, but it gets the job done. Pretty light. I don't know how much it weighs. Got the house cow sticker right there. Got some Volcom stickers. Well, just one Volcom sticker, I guess. Stock front rim, stolen revolver. And, well, the back rim is a stolen revolver, and the front rim is a stolen Revolt. And, yeah, that's pretty much my bike check.